Okay, so hey, what's up, y'all? I just got some nail mail. And I wanted to unbox this on camera because I spent $200 worth of dollars. I spent $200 at the online nail supply. And follow me on Instagram at Flawless by Sheridan. I'm a licensed nail technician and makeup artist. And what I realized, makeup is like $10 a product, right? Average, low average. $10 a product. And I could spend $200 and leave Sephora with a bag this size. Not for real, but y'all get what I mean. Like, $200 will get me close to nothing at the makeup store. $200 got me all of this at the nail supply. So I'm excited about that. And I really needed to re-up on stuff. That's another difference between makeup and nails. Like, I go through, nail stuff is less expensive, but you go through it quickly. If you're interested in what's in here and what I paid for it, let's get right into it. Okay, so I really hope you guys can see this. Oops. I'm trying to block out my address. Excuse my nails, but they will be getting done very soon. OMG. Go through everything and make sure it's out here. This is holographic paper. You can put this in acrylic. You can encapsulate this. This was $1. This is foil. So this transfers onto the nail. This was $1. I like the packaging. That's cute. I ordered 50 of these, but I knew they were going to be small. I didn't know they were going to be this small, but these are going to be my manicure buffer. They're a finer grit, so they're good for the natural nail. So they did not even, I just thought they were going to be in some sort of packaging though. I got toe separators. I believe I know that there are 100 of these. And I like these kind because they're not as stiff as the full bar. And you only need 2 of these per foot. So 4 per client if they're getting both feet done. Just kidding. Everybody gets both feet done. Almost everybody. I got a D&D DC top coat. I don't feel like pulling out. But this is D&D DC. They have the gold tops like that. I got the regular D&D matte top coat. Matte top coat. Ooh, I got this glow-in-the-dark powder in Radiant. So it's like this lime greenish color, but it glows green. So they put tape on it to protect it. Ooh, I don't know if y'all can tell, but this is a bright yellow. It's one of those yellow green highlighter colors. You can't really tell which. Oh, I also got this other acrylic. It's called white glaze or something like that. It looked like it opened a little bit, but it's really pretty. I got this glass jar. I don't know what that number means, but it was $2. I just got to put my monomer in. I got these to swatch. I'm going to do swatches of all of my polishes and maybe some acrylics. These are all of my buffers. Now these are more coarse, and I want to use these on toenails and acrylics because your toenails and acrylic enhancements can handle harder, coarser files. So, boom. A lot of those. I also got a neon polish that's D&D DC. And this is number 258 in Shine Bright. So I cannot wait to swatch this. I actually want my nails to be this color. Let's see. I got this lavender color D&D DC. It's 118 and Unicorn Lovely. I got pumice stones. I had to mute what I was saying right here because it was dead wrong, but it's 40 pieces. So, yes. Yeah, these are disposable, so I want to use these for my pedicures so I can just throw them away. I got a box of gloves. Needed these. I was running out. Oh, I got sterilizing bags because I have a sterilization machine. So this is a sterilization pouch. Excited about these. I can't remember how much I paid for those. Oh, this is something else I was excited about. I got clear tips from D&D, but I feel like these are knockoff. Like, this does not look like their symbol, but it says it's D&D tips. Ooh, and these look beautiful. They smell crazy, and they're kind of thin. They're really thin, actually. Usually clear tips are super thick, but these might be more thin than the natural ones. Like, look how they're just bendy. But whatever, excited to use those. I got a 50 pack of files. These are going to be my acrylic files, and this is a 50 pack of 150 over 180 grit, and these are going to be my manicure files. These are 80 over 80, so they're super coarse. So I love using coarse files for acrylic. You just have to file gently. Okay, so I have this cone carbide bit. This is called a carbide bit. And I like using this to like finish up my nails and get the cuticles super like flush to the nail and just beautiful and natural. And I like this shape. The ones I have are cylinder. This one isn't as tapered as I thought it was going to be, but yeah. And then I also got this medium ceramic bit, and this is really good for removing gel polish super fast. So I got 2 flat clippers. They're flat, meaning like they're a straight edge. It's flat, there's no curve in it, it's just flat across. And I like using these for like manicures and pedicures because you have less work to do. It's just boom, already cut straight. Okay. Oh, I also got this storage box. I thought it was gonna be like this one, and I think this was their large one. I bought this because I have this and I love it so much, but look at them next to each other. Oh, I guess they're almost the same size, but this one's bigger. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it yet, but I'm just excited to have it. Yeah. What else? Ooh, I got Young Nails French Pink. I'm really excited about this, and this is their 85 grams, which I think is like 3.5 ounces, but this is big. This is a lot bigger than what I thought. There's the color. That's exciting. You want to know what's crazy? I ordered from this website in Pensacola, and I did not realize that it was in Pensacola. Like, I would have went there.